Ki Ejahar ki balai ujor haka khandai teri ujemmang arja arpusau dau Assistant Inspector General AIG berim katanat pulin uba Giril ki yang rai Pyrshah yau Director General of Police u Dr. LR Bishnoi haswabu unsong tait nakakam haka tayo banwan Hato kadi ke jingkot jong ke ke bola kran kata Maria yo jamin bat ban light na along Uba Gabriel yang rai ula yo jamin na ka yeng kasari bat ban light na along jong ka Shillong District Jail ha ka no paisingi jong ka khatsau tarik urempang arja arpulai kata hadian shispa arsngi ka bola syakem ha ka ar tarik unai wing arja arpuar na ka jingsha ka no don kti ban penun kam baklaya ka pisa bala mang ban snai ka building National Emergency Response Systems NERS mat jingbam sap na ka jingpen poi marbam bat ha ka ju ka sngi uniu he officer barem ula syakem biang no hi ha ki pulet ka anti corruption branch jong ka crime Investigation Department. Kadai haduk ka laipo tari ulber arja arpulai bau ba yang rai ulayo jamin na South Lake mukadama Pyrshah kentop ki bala shem lupa na ka yeng kasari bat ki bola Kular ban ai ka jinga trailang. Kumban chupan kan mau Mariami na palor jong Shillong District Jail haka khat sau tari urempang arja arpulai haba kran sigilat pathai kubor ulaong baun Phla lut ya ki jing shisha bat ya ki kam Jyrsieh jong ka tanat pulit bat ban ong bau dei tang ulang kenia haka jing syakem.
I am a victim of a high-level khaki vendetta politics funded by many businessmen, etc., of Camel region origination who have failed to control in many trade, especially through Benami trade in Meghalaya Police Department. Now I'm just giving my statement. I have so many things and so many RTIs I have filed from here which are yet to be revealed, and these will expose. I've been treated like by the present incumbent DGP. I've been treated like a Harijan. That will reveal later how. I have so many things to tell, but now this much I want to tell. But I appeal to you all that this is a highly political, high-level political vendetta against me. I have got sufficient amount of evidence with me, which I will use. Now it is only them because they have the laws with them. All the high level are with them. I am nothing, and I am a victim of a high-level vendetta politics.
Hadian shis nam tam kata ka khandai tarik ujemmang arja arpusau uniu he officer berim ke jela ula pau perthai ban ujor da ke Ejahar Pyrshah yau Director General of Police DGP bamanta jong ke jela u Dr. Ram Bishnoi IPS Hasadar Police Station halor ke jingkno baka don ke jingle thok ban bujli yau registration number ya ka kali bepenon kam dau new DGP bat ban mudui ru hau Chief Secretary ke jela uba Donald Philip Walang Pyrshah yau DGP lem kiwei pat ki he pulit haka jimudoi uba yang rai uloong bahaka arpsan tarik nailar arja arpuar ka office u DGP kala IT ya ka kot ka baya day bot ka kaipot bala ai da ka inquiry committee show Secretary Home Police Department ka sarkar jella bakentop ik jinglap jingsham ka inquiry committee bala khli daw MK Singh IPS u brave Inspector General of Police Law and Order ringkat u DNR Marak IPS IG Eastern Range bat ka kong Claudia Lingwa IPS Commandant ka 1st MLP Battalion Mauyong Uba GK yang rai haka jingmudoi ulaong bahaka parawan jong ka kaipot ka teka committee laong baka wei ka Hyundai Verna kabla penyang ha central workshop la ayaw number talk bat kamsham la don ka jing register ya ka kali daw AIG administration bat kim don kinu ki kot kisla ulapan pau bahaka shpau tarik urempang arja arpulai ula yo ya ki jubab lengba ki kopi jong ka kaipot inquiry committee jong ka tanat pulet Pyrshah ya Da kaban pen pau jing lengo uloong baka jing lap ka committee haka parawan haka bala don jing keno baula ai registration number ML02A0001 bathok yaka kali Hyundai Verna ka bapen yang ha central workshop Bishnupur hi kalong tang ban pen bot nam yo uloong ba hadin bauliyo jamin haka khat sau tari urempang araja arpulai bat syakem biang haka tei ka sngi uladap da jing lengo ban yo baka wei ka kali Kia Carnival ka bala pendat daute registration number Ula kena bau DGP upenan kambian ya katai kali bat ula sakhi daki dur bat ki video naki CCTV kamera. Uniu AIG berim ula ong bakat kum ka rules and standard guidelines u DGP ka jela Meghalaya u don hok ban yo ya kali ka basong dor hapo ka khat arlak kat bakani ka kali Kia Carnival limousine ka song dor hado sau phaulak tingka ka bau DGP ka sarkar Meghalaya don hok ban yo Dakabapan pau ba borok kini ki jing shisha balapan pau ki kedo betek ya ke jingle ya ki buj kambaman bat ke jingle thok bat syukur daud Ram Bishnoi uba JK yang ra ula kentu ba don kamman register mukodama yau DGP bat ki wei pat khnang bakin yo ke jingpen saja Halor kini gaji mudoi usembut Menteri Rangba uberi kemi ikatanat kampo yeng uba prestun tensong ulaong. Baka jing toket halor kini kalaya cakmat. Bat kaan kan trei la kakam wat la kan dei Pyrshah yo he du ki pulet haka jela uban syong thaj no na kakam haka khat khandai tere ujemang arja arpusau.
Relating to that fake number plate or something, so now the case has been registered and the investigation has just started. So please give space, let the investigation be on, and thereafter let the law takes its own. And you know that. But for us, our duty is what? When FIR was filed, we need to attend to this, and the attention of the government has been drawn. That's what I'm telling you. We have already registered. And then the investigation has just started.